this Guru Purnima, I'm telling, it is just planned by all gurus for me, because I was completely clueless that from Mumbai I will be traveling to Odisha, Puri. When that 7-minute meditation happened, at that moment, a big Nagaraj appeared. The energy shifted. I just kept the flowers, offered the flowers, and the garland fell. I was just a medium for that too. He was the one who was called by gurus. Om Shushana. I want to share my Guru Purnima experience. Actually, this Guru Purnima, I'm telling, it is just planned by all gurus for me, because I was completely clueless that from Mumbai I will be traveling to Odisha, Puri, in Jagannath Puri. It was, for me, it was truly a blessing, because when I used to do Ekadashi fasting, when I used to visit ISKCON temple, over there the Jagannath Murti I used to see, and I used to tell ki, will I get the original darshan, like the main place darshan. So I used to just tell that, and when Murli sir, my coordinator, he's city coordinator from Mumbai, he called me. So like, it is in Puri, the Guru Purnima, so would you like to join? And I was like, I will join, surely I will join. But I was completely, because I didn't had any plan, or the money issues or something, all was something showing up in my space. So but everything, it was like everything was arranged. My husband, he was not included in this Guru Purnima thing for coming, but at the end moment it happened, like he also got the permission, and I was so, gurus were a blessing so much. And like how it got planned, and he also got the permission, and he also got ready, I will be also coming along with you. It was such a blessing for me, because I was praying that we have to take blessings together, and all the gurus planned it together. And he also got the leaves from the office, and I was like not expecting all of that to happen. And the thing is that mine was first thing, and he didn't got the permission first, so he got the permission later. But over here, when he came, he was ahead. When the Havan was happening, he was like literally the closest to Guru Ma, and he went ahead to offer the flowers also to Guru Ma's charna, and for Havan also, for Samhita offering. So I was like, mine was only like bolte na madhyam. I was just a medium for that too. He was the one who was called by gurus. So that was a truly blessing for me. And the Guru Purnima experience, like I was with the Divya ma'am, all the volunteers who were, even if we miss the messages of Guru Purnima, it was such a like, ki they are on like point, like messaging, calling us, informing each and every information. I'm really thankful for all the volunteers also. Otherwise, like it wouldn't have the plan which we could, I would have missed the messages also. Everything was taken care by the volunteers so well. Really thankful and grateful to all the volunteers also. And because my husband's and at the end moment to plan everything, that was also a big thing. So it is a task also. So it was like easily done. Everything was done smoothly. And my experience of Guru Purnima meditation, I was just looking like 7 minutes, when they told like there is a 7 minutes meditation. At that 7 minutes meditation, I just closed my eyes, and when I was doing the meditation, initially the energy was little different. Like there was lot of going on, like we were going to meet Guru Ma and all of that. So but when that 7-minute meditation happened, at that moment a big Nagaraj appeared, and showing sign of Babaji, like blessing everyone. And it was so beautiful. I can't tell, like explain how it was, because the energy shifted. it shifted so beautifully. As soon as Nagaraj appeared behind Guru Ma, and as soon as that Nagaraj appeared, I'm like mistaken with the name, but it was a big Nagaraj, and then the energy shifted, and still I had the doubt. Like I was asking Babaji, "Is that you giving sign?" And what happened while coming going for Guru Ma's darshan? Um, as we were putting the flowers, offering the flowers to all the gurus, I was just praying and asking Babaji for the confirmation. The garland fell from the Babaji. I just kept the flowers, offered the flowers, and the garland fell from Babaji from the right hand side. And that was like a confirmation, like Babaji has shown up in the meditation for blessing everyone. And because I was asking that, please, because we doubt from inner side whenever we get that message also in the meditation. And then meeting Guru Ma, offering that flowers, it was my first time. It was truly a blissful experience, because when Guru Ma smiles, it is like a big blessing for us. Like I can't forget that experience. I met Amma Garu in Mumbai also. It was such a beautiful experience with Amma. Her smile and her eyes, it is like we can't forget that. I'm like, still we want to go and experience and meet Amma. And another experience, it was on the 10th only. I met Amma at Mayfair. Like my husband only saw Amma first, and I'm like, you came like this, and you only got the darshan first. And he told, look, Amma Garu was passing from Mayfair outside, and we got to like bow down to Amma at that moment, and that was like a beautiful experience. In the morning only we got the Amma Garu's darshan, and it was such a beautiful experience. My husband only, so I was like, you were not ready to come here, and you got the darshan first. He told like, okay, Amma is there, and like we met Amma in the morning only. And next was the Guru Purnima. We got to offer the flowers. That was the second time I could meet. So I was like literally blessed by Amma Garu twice. Thank you for this. And like all the planning, yesterday also that drizzling which happened, it was that the shower, it was truly a blessing. When the mantra jap energy was increasing, like initially it started, it was little drizzling, and then it started raining. Like it was such a huge blessing for all of us, from all the gurus, truly. Thank you to Guru Ma, thank you to all the gurus for such a beautiful experience and blessing all of us. Thank you. Om Shushumna Mangalam Nitya Shubha Mangalam.